Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And I'm back with another cooking video. It's not gonna be as long as my other videos, just because my camera wound up dying on me, if I'm being honest. But I had figured I'll show y'all how I had made this stuffed salmon this night. So I feel like cooking a little bit, just a little bit. Some days I get the urge to really kind of go in sometimes. Because normally, y'all, I'll cook like, when I make salmon, I make it the same, I'm making it the same way every time. Like, my kids love it this way. Sometimes I'll do like a honey garlic, or like a bourbon sauce or something. But for the most part, it's always like a lemon kind of, like a lemon pepper kind of, not lemon pepper for real. It's really just like lemon. I don't know how to explain it, y'all. I'm drawing a blank. And my kids will tear it up. So I was like, let me try something different. And I wound up doing the stuffed salmon. Now, I have done stuffed salmon before. Usually I'll stuff it with just the cream cheese and spinach, or cream cheese and a broccoli. And then that'll be part of like my sauces, or like my sauce and stuff like that to go over the salmon. But once again, I just felt like cooking a little bit. And I wanted to try something different because I just wanted to. Plus, you know how you gotta like expand the kids' palate a little bit. These kids be trying. I mean, I really do try to like switch it up. Like when I make my meals for the day, I know this kind of ain't got, or for the week, I know this kind of ain't got nothing to do with nothing. But when I make my meals for the week, I try to like switch it up. So like one day I'll do fish, the next day I'll do chicken, the next day I'll do like a hamburger meat, the next day I'll try to do a steak. I'll try to do it like that. And then obviously if I start back over, like do chicken the next day instead of meat. I don't really do fried chicken like that, but if I bake a lot. Most of the time I bake a lot, or air fry. Why did I just put bake and air fry together? I said bake fry. Oh my gosh. Y'all, bear with me. It's late as I'm recording this. Because I've been slacking real bad on edit. I got videos, I just gotta edit them. Anyway, y'all, sorry. This is supposed to be a cooking video, and I'm just over here yappa dabba doing. But yeah, I'll try to do it like that. So like if I made baked chicken one day, I might try to when I go to make chicken again, I might like pan sear it or something like that. Instead of doing like chicken wings, I'll do a chicken breast or something like that. So I kind of like to try to switch it up. So my kids' palate is like okay, but we do kind of eat some of the same stuff within the week or whatever. Plus y'all know how groceries is, so it is what it is. So every once in a while, I said all that to say nothing. But every once in a while, I'll get the urge to kind of, do a little 1-2 in the kitchen. So I had got this salmon. I always now, because my kids, first of all, the way they love salmon, y'all. And I mean to the point where y'all see how big this is. Now, first of all, the price of this is $30 plus, ridiculous. But anyway, so I only get it once a month. And I only get it because, not only get it once a month, but I like it to be fresh, even though we're not going to go into the quality. I'm not even going to get into that because I know they be trying to take us out with the food and stuff. I do try to do the wild caught. I know this is farm raised. I wound up figuring that out later. But when I get the fillets, sometimes they just be so small, and I just be looking like, I'm not about to pay $20-something for these little behind fillets. I don't know, y'all. Anyway, y'all see me struggling here. I don't know why. Like, what I was thinking was, I was gonna put the crab that I just mixed together. I was gonna put that in the middle, right? Basically, cut that part out, put it in the middle. 1, I was on a crunch time. 2, I just felt like that wasn't gonna work. And 3, I got lazy with the cutting, if we being honest. Because normally when I do my stuffed salmon, I'm slicing it already into its own sections and then stuffing it sideways, which obviously makes it easier. But trying to do it this way, it wasn't really that deep. So once I just kind of cut like a little bit into it, I'm like, let me just season this whole thing, get the inside all seasoned and stuff like that too, right? Um, so that's why it's gonna look like that, and you're just gonna see me seasoning it. Now, one thing I cannot do, y'all, I cannot touch no meat. No kind of meat, no kind of fish, no kind of nothing without a glove. I cannot stand touching meat raw, like anything. It will really make me throw up for real. So you gonna always catch me with a glove on. Anyway, I'll put the seasonings and stuff down below for what I use for the crab meat mixture. As far as the salmon, it's really be my same seasonings most of the time, which is onion powder, garlic powder. I'll do a smoked paprika. I'll do adobo, and sometimes I'll do like a lemon pepper, and then I have like a garlic and herb seasoning. That's really it, y'all. I promise you that's it. I don't be doing nothing else, and then I'll add like a splash of lemon juice or something like that on the top. When I tell you, and I have this right here is a lemon pepper seasoning, so I did add that on this one. But it's very light. It's not as heavy where you could really taste like the lemon pepper. Because I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I don't really like the lemon pepper taste for real. I had wings from Wingstop one time with the lemon pepper, and I don't know if it was just overkill, but to me, maybe it's because I don't like a lot of sauce and stuff. Like, I don't like my stuff drenched in sauce. And I feel like when I had got the lemon pepper wings before, it was just too much. It was overbearing for me. I like it to be just like slight, if that makes sense. And ever since then, y'all, that lemon pepper is that taste. I just ain't sat right with me since. But this lemon pepper that I got, it's very mild. It's not too crazy, but it gives it like just enough zest that you need. And then when you add the lemon juice to it, oh my goodness. Talk about chef's kiss. Now, y'all, I did not film the rest of the meal. Like I said, I'm really just showing y'all the salmon for real. Because my camera wound up dying on me. So I was like, plus I just did an Alfredo noodle and some garlic knots on the side. Pretty self-explanatory. Y'all seen me make Alfredo before, and I just added broccoli in it, so it ain't really nothing too special. But everything I used and the temperature and stuff, I think, Lord, I don't be knowing. Sometimes I just be doing anything, y'all. Like, cooking for me is so therapeutic. And I've been doing it for so long, I don't even have to like look. You know how you got them people that just don't have to look, don't have to you don't have to write the recipes and stuff down like that. It's only a few things that I might have to write down, but that's not like something that I'm used to cooking. But for the stuff that I'm used to cooking, I don't have really measurements and stuff like that, so I just season with the heart, y'all. And then I think for the most part I always put the oven on 400, I think. But my oven, it really just depends on what kind of oven you got, because my oven be cooking stuff fast. So sometimes this could, like, I could put it at a lower rate, so like 375 or whatever. But anyway, this is, you see me stuffing it. I didn't put the whole can in here, so this was a lot. I will say this, I really liked it, but I've had a lot of different things. I don't know if when I gave it to my kids that I gave them too much of the stuffing. I don't think they really liked it like that. They would have really just rather have the the crab meat on the side. Like, why would y'all? That's what my daughter told me anyway. Like, why would you just want the crab meat on the side? Like, what's wrong with you? She was just like, yeah, I don't really care for it on top, but I'd rather just have it on the side. I'm like, please. But I'm taking basically like the same seasonings and adding it to the shrimp. The only difference is I'm using Old Bay, and I use a little bit of I want to say that Slap Your Mama is yellow. I forgot what that green one is. I would have to look that up. But I use essentially the same thing. I just add the Obey seasoning, and then I gave it the little kick with the green one. I had, like, for the life of me, I cannot think about what it's called. And then I just mix that up with a little bit of olive oil, and that's gonna go right on top of that salmon, y'all. This was so good, I promise you. So good. So good. The salmon didn't last. Like I said, the kids really didn't care for the other part. They ate it the first night, but when we had leftovers the next night, they was just like, yeah, don't give me no more of that. But I think I put Dijon mustard in that too, and they don't really care for mustard and stuff like that, so I don't know. But hopefully they'll grow out of it, because my daughter didn't used to like shrimp, and now she likes shrimp. She would not touch a shrimp for nothing, and now she likes shrimp. So I don't know, maybe at some point, y'all. And I was struggling so bad, because y'all see I took my glove off, struggling so bad to hold this camera and put these shrimps on there so y'all can see me do it. Content, it'd be crazy sometimes. I'm not even gonna hold you. But yeah, y'all, after this is really pretty much self-explanatory. I just popped this bad boy in the oven. Finna show you what it looked like when it came out. Look, y'all, I promise you it was so good. Them kids don't be knowing nothing. That's why this was a good behind treat. And this was the finished result. The salmon stuffed with the crab meat and the shrimp, the 2 garlic knots, and then just Alfredo noodles. Y'all, don't do too much on my noodles because I had 2 different kinds. But if you did like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one.